Welcome to my video on my new composting toilet. It's a semi-portable toilet I built up in my shed and near the house, and then transported down to our beautiful river flats for campers to enjoy. And I hope you enjoy the video. So this is the site of the composting toilet down on our beautiful river flats. This is one of two river flats that we have for campers down by the creek. You can hear the creek gurgling away, and our new toilet. So this is the business end of the toilet. I'll just show you what goes on behind the scenes. So this is a composting toilet which is used in all national parks throughout Australia and in festivals, any place where water and plumbing is a problem or not available. This wheelie bin was picked up from the tip shop. So the composting toilet is based, this design is based on a wheelie bin. Has a drain if required, but it shouldn't be required for this particular design, and I'll show you why in a moment. The bin is attached underneath this box, which is waterproofed and has a layer inside, a rubber layer and a storm seal to help keep the connection between the box and the bin as airtight as possible. Underneath here we have a solar controller, a 10 amp one, and the whole system runs off a battery, a 9 amp hour battery, just underneath there. We've got a fuse box. This timer cost me $10 and it turns the fan on and off throughout the day, just 16 times. That's all the number of programs it has, and that just helps pull air through the compost. The toilet has an internal light which comes on at night, but I can also disable it with this switch. Down the bottom of the bin you can see this mesh, and that allows air to go into the bottom of the bin under a false floor, so air can get up and through the compost and help it break down faster. The reason that the toilet has a urine diverter as well, which means that I don't have any liquid to worry about, and it comes down underneath and here, and that can be used as a fertilizer. Around the side we've got our extractor fan. That's an EcoFlow inline fan, doesn't use much power, and the fan can easily be swapped out if it dies. That's for the vent stack. Coming around to the front door, you can see that the toilet is currently vacant. I've got a storm seal around the outside of the door and a little bit of cover on the top. And the door opens outwards as a safety feature. So if somebody was to collapse in there, for instance, you could easily open the door. And inside we have our toilet. Looks pretty conventional. A window at the back. If we need a little bit more air. Very important. Keeps the bugs out. And at the back here we have a reed switch. So when the toilet seat is open, the fan will activate. But as you can hear, it's already going. And that's our urine diverter just there. And down the back you can see the waste. Those are drainage pipe which have slices in them for airflow to ensure that air can get through the compost. When you're finished, there's some high carbon and dry compost to throw on top, and some water to give the urine diverter a bit of a flush so it doesn't smell. And you can see the solar panel up on top. So this is some of the framing, the base and the walls being assembled. We've got the seat and being repositioned, slowly being built up and relocated and driven away to its final location, being repositioned down the river flats. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully there'll be another one with further improvements.